Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which of the following is the apex body responsible for policy formulation in the defense manufacturing sector of India? Answer A. Defense Acquisition Council. Question: what is the primary objective of the Make in India initiative in the context of defense manufacturing? Answer B. To promote indigenous defense production. Question: which Indian organization is known as the premier research and development agency for defense technologies? Answer B. DRDO. Question: Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, is primarily engaged in manufacturing which of the following? Answer B. Aircraft and helicopters. Question: which of the following is not a defense public sector undertaking, DPSU, in India? Answer C. Larsen and Toubro. Question: what does the Defence Procurement Procedure, DPP, of India primarily regulate? Answer C. Acquisition of defence equipment by Indian Armed Forces. Question: the Strategic Partnership Model, SP model, in Indian defence manufacturing aims to? Answer B. Partner Indian private firms with foreign OEMs for defense production. Question: which Indian state is known as the Defence Corridor Hub due to concentration of defense manufacturing units? Answer C. Uttar Pradesh. Question: the Defence India Startup Challenge, DISC, is an initiative to? Answer A. Promote startups in defense technology. Question: which of the following missiles is indigenously developed by DRDO? Answer C. Agni. Question: Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative in defense focuses on? Answer B. Self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Question: which organization manufactures India's main battle tank Arjun? Answer C. Heavy Vehicles Factory, HVF. Question: the defense offset policy mandates foreign defense suppliers to? Answer B. Invest in Indian defense industry. Question: which Indian company is a leading manufacturer of defense electronics and radars? Answer A. Bharat Electronics Limited. Question: the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, IGMDP, was launched under the leadership of? Answer A. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question: what is the role of the Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO? Answer B. Research and Development of Defence Technologies. Question: which Indian shipyard is famous for building submarines for the Indian Navy? Answer B. Mazago Dock Shipbuilders Limited. Question: the Buy Indian IDDM category in defense procurement refers to? Answer B. Buying Indian products with indigenous design, development and manufacturing. Question: Defense corridors in India aim to. Answer: B. Create industrial zones for defense manufacturing. Question: Which Indian missile is a joint venture between India and Russia? Answer: B. BrahMos. Question: The Make-to category under defense procurement procedure allows. Answer: B. Indigenous manufacture of spares and upgrades by Indian industry. Question: Which ministry governs defense manufacturing in India? Answer: B. Ministry of Defense. Question: The defense export strategy of India aims to achieve. Answer: B. Boosting defense exports and global presence. Question: What is the significance of the Defense Procurement Procedure (DPP) 2020? Answer: B. It emphasizes Make in India and self-reliance. Question: Which Indian defense PSU manufactures torpedoes and missiles? Answer: B. Bharat Dynamics Limited. Question: The Defense Acquisition Council (DAC) is chaired by. Answer: A. Defense Minister. Question: The Make-I category under defense procurement procedure refers to. Answer: B. Development and production of new indigenous equipment. Question: Which Indian company is the largest manufacturer of military aircraft? Answer: B. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Question: The Defense Testing Infrastructure Scheme (DTS) was launched to. Answer: B. Develop testing and certification facilities. Question: Which of the following is a key challenge for defense manufacturing in India? Answer: B. Technology gaps and dependence on imports. Thanks for watching. Comment your score. If any suggestions, comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.